Hey guys, it's Tommy from Fitness Consulting. In today's video, what I want to discuss or ask is like, what are we doing and why are we here? Now, I get on calls with trainers and coaches, and a lot of the time they say things to me like, I want to build up a network, I want to get a good big following, and then I want to create something. I want to scale to the moon. And they've got a lot of buzzwords, and that's cool, I get that. But the problem is, if we don't know what we're doing, then how do we know what to execute on each day, each week, each month? Because if we're just trying to build up a following, the question really is why? Like, why do we even want a big following? If we have a big following, then what? And if the answer is, then I'm going to sell a coaching program or an online program to these people, then why not just bypass the following and just move straight into getting clients? Because I think that's the confusion that a lot of people have, is they're confused about what they're trying to do because they're confused about what they're trying to achieve. Now, we, as a fitness trainer, are trying to get clients, then shouldn't that be our main goal? Shouldn't that be the only thing that we're working towards? And if we have a look at what our daily actions are and what the things are that we're trying to achieve each day, number one is get clients. So if we move backwards from there and go, okay, what's the step before getting a client? And that might be booking in a call. So our actions leading people towards booking a call. And if we're not booking calls, what's the step before that? Are we doing call offers? Are we offering people to get on a call? And if we're not offering people to get on a call, what's the step before that? Are we having conversations with people? And if we're not having conversations with people, are we learning how to get engagement with people to be able to get them onto a call, to be able to get them into a paid client? Because the only time it's important to, and I still get this now, which is quite surprising, but I'm building out my website, I'm building out my program, I'm building up a following, and then I'm going to launch it. The reason why I say like it's surprising is because like there's so many people out there telling you that that's just not the way to do it. There's actually probably less people telling you that it is the way to do it. So I'm confused why people still think that's the way to go. Because if you don't know what you're building or who you're building a program for, then what do you do when you've got a program? You've got a program that's built out for no one, that no one wants, that you're about to launch. Makes no sense. I don't understand. I don't understand why people are still thinking that way. So anyway, long story short, the point of this video, the point today is what I'm trying to make is understand where you're going before you set off with your journey. Because there's no point just going out and getting stuff done, grinding, hustling, doing all this stuff when we're not hustling for anything. You're best to figure out like what is it that I'm trying to achieve. And if it's I want an online business, then you need clients. So we're not going through the process of building out a website, building out a program, building out funnels, figuring all this complex stuff out for no one. What you need is clients. So work backwards from there. Here's clients. I don't have any. What do we need to do? We need to get people on a call or a sales process. I don't have any people to put on a sales process. Then we need to go back. Okay, how do we generate leads? And you just keep moving back depending on where you are. You might be generating leads but not getting enough calls, then let's work on that. But if you don't know where you're going, then you don't know what the action steps are. Hopefully that was helpful.